Right, we're celebrating seasonal produce now with John Torode today. So what are you going to cook for us?
Well, on Thursday, Holly said that she wanted watercress soup.
Yeah, I love watercress.
She's so demanding.
I'm so sorry.
But spring has sprung, so everything green, I think. And the thing about green is it makes you feel good. So I bought you a little bowl of peas, which you can now nibble on, because we know it's one of your favourite things.
We've already done...
Quite a
hang on a second, let me just take them from around the back.
There you go, the peas already. They are the best thing to start off with. I think they're a great way to start. And then watercress soup. This is from Dorset, fresh watercress, came in this morning. And what you do is you take the watercress apart and you separate the leaves from the stalks.
Oh.
Because the leaves you're going to use last, the stalks need to cook. It's the same as herbs. So anything which is really hard, cook it. Anything which is not hard, don't cook it. So those get cooked. So the deal is here, I've got stalks of watercress,
Right.
celery, leeks, and some potatoes. Potato thickens it, so no flour, because flour goes a little bit gloopy.
Yeah, it does.
Whereas potato works really nicely, and you fry all that until it becomes really
What's
soft.
in here?
That's the stalks from the watercress all chopped up.
Oh, you've just chopped that up.
Just chopped it up small, right?
Got you.
And then you fry it, and what you want is the flavour of the inside of a pasty. Really peppery. So loads and loads and loads of black pepper, and as it cooks, put more and more and more in. And if I say the inside of a pasty, you get it.
And exactly what...
Do you know what I mean? So it's got to be quite spicy, because watercress is spicy, but by the time you add stock and all the bits to it, it starts to water it down too much. So lots and lots of pepper and salt in here. Your stalks, your leeks, everything else. Not stalks birds, but stalks of the watercress. And then add to that some veg stock and let it come up to the boil. And you scrape the bottom, and all the lovely bits that are on the bottom...
That's the good stuff.
That's it. That's where all the flavour is. Now, some people use alcohol and they sort of, you know, it's called deglazing and all that sort of thing. That's fine. Do that. Once it comes up to the boil, again, you literally take... So that first bit takes about 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, just to cook all the potatoes and stuff down so it's lovely and soft and flavoursome. Chuck in, I mean, a massive amount of watercress leaves.
Will that disappear down to...
That'll disappear to nothing.
Yeah.
But this is the last bit. So this goes in, and you cook it for about a minute, the same as you cook spinach, so that it just wilts, but it keeps its green colour, the vibrancy.
When that's boiling.
Yeah, so that's coming out to the boil, and just drop it in, and it literally wilts really, really, really quickly. Then it goes into a blender, and it blends on, and I blend it, and I've done it because it's just live telly. I don't really want to have an issue.
So
but it goes this bright green.
Look at that. And
look at that.
Is it that colour because you didn't overcook the leaves?
Yeah, because the last bit, they come up and literally it is for a minute, and it has to stay bright green. By doing it in this blender, it also cools it down enough to keep the chlorophyll, which means it stays green. So don't boil this again.
OK.
Although there is a trick. If you then take this home and chill it, microwave it, it will still be green.
Really?
Yeah. Don't put it in a pot, but microwave it.
Oh, wow.
So this is for you, lovely, thick.
Incredible.
This is your starter. I've got spoons for you.
OK.
I've got a separate bowl each, because we know how you are about your separate bowls.
We don't like sharing.
No, I know. There we are. So that's yours.
Only
There we go.
So greedy.
So watercress soup to start off with.
Oh,
Fresh
my
watercress.
gosh.
Really nice with a poached egg in it.
Really?
Delicious. Great thing. Is that good? Oh, look, he likes it.
Oh, my God, it's amazing.
Oh, my goodness me.
Isn't that amazing?
So that's good. I'm pleased.
And if it's that green, it's got to be doing me good.
Yeah, and
Definitely.
it's a diuretic as well, so it means that, you know, it's good for you, flushes you out. Good for your liver.
Look forward to that.